What's up? How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Good, good. What are we doing here today?
Brianna is getting her teeth done. I'm a little upset because I had mine done, not by Dr. G. That something tells me, even though mine are nice, hers are going to be better. I feel like I'll be back here in a couple of years to redo mine. Maybe less than a year. We'll see. Yeah, about 4 or 5 years ago. And they came out nice. But I've seen Dr. G's work and it's pretty damn good. I think until she sees it.
Once she sees it, yes.
Yeah, and I think because she does all the photo shoots and all the fitness modeling, I think it's one thing to look in the mirror, but then it's another thing to see it on film or on camera.
I trust him, so it's hard for me to talk right now because my mouth is numb, but I'm really excited to see the outcome.
Speechless. And that's the definition of a gorgeous smile that you are actually helping co-create. She's very pretty, she's young, she's got good teeth. They're beautiful, they're just not in the right color, some mislocated positions. What we did is just create a magical smile design, a Dr. G smile with veneers, and the key component is complement the beauty so that when she smiles, you're speechless. This is the magical moment. It's a reveal. But again, with one smile, you're making so many people happier. And that's the goal of what we do here. He's happy. She's gonna be happier in a second because I'm already radiantly happy. I'm smiling. So, do this.
Bree, did you look yet?
No, not yet.
I wanna see his reaction first.
Holy sh**.
I didn't see him yet. You like him?
Oh my God.
Really?
She's so pretty, she doesn't even know makeup.
Oh my God. Looks so different. I'm obsessed. Curly blades.
It's such a difference. Holy shit.
I know.
Your teeth would have it bad, but
That's the key.
Yeah,
She had nice
she had
teeth,
nice
don't mess them up.
No.
Oh my God. I can't stop staring at them.